everyone, I'm doing a review on Angry Birds fruit gummies. Today we've got Terrace, Bombird, Red, Chuck, Pig, Blues, and they taste good. This is Terrace. He's a bit bored. He's a bit big. Here's Bomb. Here's Red. Here's Chuck. Here's Piggy. And here's the Blue. As you can see, later I'm going to cut this out. Later. Okay? Now it's time for eating time. These taste so yummy. I like the bottom. It tastes good. Time for Terrace. Here's Terrace. Pretty good. Now we're gonna taste Red. Red. These taste so good. I've got 3 more left. Chuck, Blues, and Pig. Blue. So yummy. Now we're gonna have a taste of Chuck.
Ano itong ano? Tapos na eh. Ito.
This tastes so good. Really, really good. Last but not least, Pig. Pretty good, Pig. Oh, these taste so good. But, yeah, this is cherry, lemonade, raspberry, apple, grapes, and strawberry factory.